Alright everybody, Prego pasta sauce, but better, way better, million times better. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video, we're gonna make this Prego pasta sauce taste like the best pasta sauce you ever had in your life. How are we gonna do that? Let me show you. Prego traditional. First thing we're gonna add to it is gonna be olive oil. I'm gonna use this one that I got at Trader Joe's. I like it. It's pretty good. The second thing that's gonna pimp this Prego pasta sauce, it's gonna be your Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. This is a must if you make any kind of pasta. I put this on my steak. It's delicious. After I grill it, I just put this butter on my steak. It's amazing. But today, it's going into my Prego pasta sauce. And then I'm gonna add some cheese, just your regular cheese that I have in my pantry right now. And I was gonna use this organic pasta from Italy, but I decided I'm just gonna use the Cecco. I didn't have Barilla. I'm just gonna use the Cecco spaghetti, because you know that's what most of us have here in the United States, Barilla or the Cecco. So keep it as authentic as possible. So let's go make this Prego pasta sauce taste amazing. First things first, save some of that pasta water. Add the sauce. Add the pasta water. Give it a good mix. Add the butter. Add a touch of olive oil. Mix it all up again. Make sure the butter melts completely. Look at the herbs from the butter, from the garlic and herb butter. Work its way into the sauce. Add the cheese. Keep stirring. After about 2 minutes of the sauce boiling, add the pasta. Mix the pasta into the sauce. Add more cheese if you like. And you are done. Prego pasta sauce. Way, way better. I am ready to dig in. It smells good. It looks good. Can't wait to try it. Beautiful. Looks good. Smells good. Let's test it out. Alright guys, lunch is ready. Prego pasta sauce made better. Here's the first bite. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good stuff, man. This is really good. All the stuff I put in there really fancied it up. So if you like Prego sauce and you want to make it fancy, this is the way to go. Same some of that pasta water, add that to the sauce, boil it up, add olive oil, garlic herb butter, cheese of your choice. Simmer it. For a few minutes, add the pasta, mix it up, and you'll have yourself a delicious pasta sauce and a delicious lunch. Yep, that's all I have for you guys right now. It's about 1:07 outside. I'm gonna run back home into the house, finish this lunch. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for stopping by.